Okay, here is the cooktop. Just used it a few times so far. It's worked really well. Has two knobs here in the front, on and off, and temperature control here. It does heat up really fast. I don't have it currently plugged in. I would say you have to be super careful because the perimeter, this whole base, gets really hot as well. Like even now, probably stopped using it about 15 minutes ago and it's still really, really hot. So I think it would be great if it actually had handles here where you could hold it. But for the money, worked out really nicely. Just for comparison, here's a skillet, the burners, probably for a good small to maybe medium-sized pan. That's probably a little bit bigger, just for reference. But it did cook our food nicely, evenly, and I would definitely recommend it.
This is my second video. I already reported one of these Cuisinmax not working, and now none of them. I bought 3. At the first time it was only one broken, and now none of them work. And I'm again without gas and without Cuisinmax. I don't understand how this can happen.